Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, and this is Minakshi. News headlines in English for 18th of November, and first of all, national news. India's G20 chair will be inclusive and decisive, PM Narendra Modi. India joined Moscow meet on Afghanistan. Saudi Arabia exempted Indian visa applicants from submitting police clearance certificate. Corbett tigress entered nearby market, dies after forest officials fire. Begin talks with RBI 8 months before demonetization, government to Supreme Court. Social media companies can make any party win election. Rahul Gandhi on Yatra Day 70. Supreme Court agreed to list play to reconsider collegium system revive NJAC. Samyukta Kisan Morcha alleged breach of assurance by centre to hold marches to Raj Bhavans on November 26. CEC Rajiv Kumar invited as international observer for Nepal polls. Tamil Nadu Governor flags off Kashi Tamil Sangamam train carrying students delegates from IIT Madras. Kerala High Court allowed play against proposed appointment of CM Secretary's wife in Kannur University. PM Modi to inaugurate airport in Arunachal, event in Varanasi on Saturday. Telangana government issued order for distribution of health kits to girl students. Army Chief General Manoj Pandey paid tribute at Arc de Triomphe in France. Now international news. COP27 draft text skipped India's proposal over phasing down fossil fuels. Iran accused Israel, its allies, of plotting civil war. UK will not sign hasty post Brexit trade deals, Rishi Sunak. The Cambridge Dictionary has revealed its word of the year for 2022 as Homer. Canada arrested public utility worker on charges of spying for China. China's Xi showed he doesn't want to follow Putin into diplomatic isolation. North Korea fired unidentified ballistic missile into Sea of Japan, Seoul. I will work with anyone. Biden's message to Republicans on US House win. Russia ultimately responsible for Poland blast, US said. And now some sports news. Meltwater Champions Tour finals. R. Pragnananda secured first win. Polls for Indian Olympic Association must go on as per schedule. Supreme Court. Carlos Alcaraz hailed great achievement at finishing youngest ever world number 1. Lewis Hamilton targeted future on return to scene of Raincorus injustice. All India Football Federation held meeting on budget, approved several committees. And Brentford's Ivan Toney faced ban over betting breaches. FSDL's partnership with Premier League can improve Indian football. Paul Dikov. Asian Airgun Championship. India continues golden run with 4 more medals. Now news related to business. Sensex fall 230 points a day after closing at a record high. SEBI set to auction properties of Sarda Group on December 16. National Stock Exchange to introduce electronic gold receipts shortly. Official. SEBI notified new rules on transfer of dividends to mutual funds unit holders. Consensus emerging on uniform charges for devices, said the Ministry of Consumer Affairs. Meta platform appointed Sandhya Devanathan as India head. No pressure, Indian minister said ahead of Russian oil price cap deadline. And India Gulf Council countries to start free trade pact negotiations on November 24. SEBI proposed new steps to simplify share buyback process. Jio tops 4G network speed chart in October. Telecom regulator data. Rupees 2,43,000 crore realized through insolvency resolution process, a report said. Oil extended decline on easing geopolitical tensions. China demand worries. Now, news from science and technology. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope captured never before seen cosmic clouds. NASA's Artemis 1 on its trajectory to moon after launching successfully in third attempt. Britain issued first spaceport license ahead of maiden satellite launch. Arianespace to ramp up to full Ariane 6 rocket launch rate in 2026, CEO. Let's have a look on weather of New Delhi. The temperature of 18th November in New Delhi will reach to 24 degrees Celsius at daytime and will drop to 13 degrees Celsius at night. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.